Hello, so this is how I record songs on the GarageBand. So what I do is I go into File, New, begin a new project. So just double click Empty Project, and then this opens up the options, the tracks. We just want instruments for now, so we just click on Software Instrument, press Create, and that opens it up. You have the counter at the top there. You can turn it on and off depending on what you want. Press the button, the plus button at the top there, to change what you want to add on. This places in a new pre-made drummer track. You have all the selections of different drummers to the left, and the style, and then the different sounds. You press the plus button to the right of those sections to add in more of the drum, more sections of the drummer. So I want to add on a bass here, a synthesizer bass. So I go into the options, go into the instruments. Just added in a random quick little bass play here, just so you can get the idea of how it works. There's nothing fancy or anything. And I'm going to add in another instrument. Probably, let's go for brass synth. I might recall this one, I think. So this is basically what I do as I'm making a new song. Basically, I just experiment and do this when I'm using GarageBand anyway. This is basically what I do, and to end up with something that I think sounds good. This is adding in my own drums now. So I'm playing the drums myself here. Not very well, mind you, because I was rushing. It's all out of time. It's not very good, I admit. But it's because I just wanted to get it done so I could show you what I do. Normally I'd have the clicker on the top on when I'm doing this normally, so I know how well I've got to be, so I can be in time with the music. But then what I do when you export the file you've done is you go onto File, go to the right, go to Share, Export Song to Disk. And what that does is it brings you up an option then. Once it loads, it brings up an option of how you want to export it, what kind of file you want to export it as, where you want it to go. And then once you've sorted all that out, then you just press export, and then the song's ready then. So that's it.